Honey, you're alive. Honey. Honey, you have blood in your eye. Come on. Okay.
Fuck you! I'm gonna kill her! Open your mouth!
Call again. I need Cohune that you
Get out of my face now! Look out! Mouth!
Amid the chaos of that day, when all I can hear was the thunder of gunshots, and all I can smell was the violence in the air, I look back and am amazed that my thoughts were so clear and true, that 3 words went through my mind endlessly, repeating themselves like a broken record. You're so cool. You're so cool. You're so cool. And sometimes Clarence asked me what I would have done if he had died, if that bullet had been 2 inches more to the left. To this, I always smile, as if I'm not going to satisfy him with the response. But I always do. I tell him of how I would want to die. It's that the anguish and the want of death would fade like stars at dawn, and that things would be much as they are now. Perhaps. Except maybe I wouldn't have named our son Elvis.